Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro 2701.6 CDTI 95 L1H1 needs turbo no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 81,630. MOT, the 19th of August 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.695 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine starts and sounds perfect. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric